If you can dream it, you can do it.
Hello. So today we count down 29 days to PSLE. Let's read the question. Helen spends 3/8 of her money on 3 bags and 8 shirts. With the rest of her money, she can buy another 6 bags. If she spends all her money on t-shirts only, how many t-shirts can she buy? Okay, so first let me draw her money. Helen's money, I cut it into 8 parts. So these 3 units she spent on 3 bags and 8 shirts. With the rest of her money, she bought 6 bags. So 5 units gives us 6 bags. 1 unit would be 6 divided by 5, which is 1.2 bag. So each unit 1.2 bags, 1.2 bags, 1.2 bags, okay? So let's look at the 3 units in front. So the 3 units which she spent on 3 bags and 8 t-shirts, it's actually also equivalent to 3.6 bags. So if we do that, it tells us that 3 bags and 8 t-shirts cost the same as 3.6 bags. Okay, so let's take a look. 3 bags and 8 t-shirts in the top row is equivalent to the bottom row, 3 bags and 0.6 bag, which is 3.6 bags. So this tells us that 8 t-shirts equals to 0.6 bag. Now the question wants us to find out how many t-shirts she can buy, so we need to be dealing with t-shirts. Now I'm going to be changing all the bags to t-shirts instead. Alright, so 3 bags plus 6 bags, right? Total of 9 bags. I'm going to convert 9 bags all to t-shirts. So from 0.6 bags, I can times 15 to give me 9 bags. And what we do on the left side, we do on the right side as well. So we take 8 t-shirts times 15. That gives us a total of 120 t-shirts. So the total bags, 3 bags plus 6 bags, 9 bags gives us 120 t-shirts. So in total, how many t-shirts can she buy? Let's not forget the 8 t-shirts. So everything would be 120 plus 8, which is 128 t-shirts. And that's the answer. So that's all for this question. See you tomorrow.